In this episode, we present Kantanka Cars to Ghanaian pastors. Today, we are showcasing some powerful vehicles being built by Kantanka Automobile Company Limited, a proudly Ghanaian automobile company founded by the great Ghanaian inventor, Professor Emeritus Apostle Dr. Engineer Kwadwo Safo Kantanka. The purpose of this video or of this episode is very simple. We want to show pastors across Ghana and Africa how these vehicles can support their ministry work, community outreach, church development projects, and humanitarian activities. Pastors are not only spiritual leaders, they are also community leaders, counselors, educators, and sometimes development agents. Many pastors travel long distances for crusades, church planting, evangelism, counseling sessions, community visits, and social support projects. Because of this, pastors need vehicles that are reliable, powerful, comfortable, and safe. Today, we will look at several Kantanka models and explain how each vehicle can support the work of pastors and churches in Ghana. Let us begin with one of the most luxurious and powerful sport utility vehicles from Kantanka Automobile, the Kantanka Onantefo. The name Onantefo symbolizes strength, leadership, and authority. This vehicle is powered by a 2.0 turbo GDI engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving it both strength and smooth driving performance. The vehicle produces 165 kilowatts of power and about 385 newton meters of torque, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 210 kilometers per hour. But pastors are not just interested in speed. They are interested in comfort, safety, and reliability during long ministry journeys. The Onantefo provides exceptional comfort with luxury leather seats, oversized panoramic sunroof, spacious interior design, and many others. Imagine a pastor traveling from Accra to Kumasi or from Cape Coast to Tamale for a revival program. Long journeys require a vehicle that keeps the driver and passengers relaxed. The Onantefo also includes modern technology such as 360-degree surround view camera, Bluetooth connectivity, touch air conditioning panel, keyless entry, and push to start. Safety is extremely important. The vehicle includes ABS braking system, electronic stability program, hill start assist control, traction control system, and an ultra-high strength cage body. This means pastors can drive confidently even on rough or slippery roads. The Onantefo SUV therefore becomes a ministry vehicle, a leadership vehicle, and a comfort vehicle for pastors who travel frequently. Now, let's talk about another powerful vehicle designed for strength and durability, the Kantanka Omama Off-Road Pickup. This vehicle is equipped with a 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine that produces 136 horsepower and 340 newton meters of torque. One important feature pastors will appreciate is fuel efficiency. The Omama consumes about 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers, making it economical for long journeys. The vehicle also includes 4x2 and 4x4 drive modes, which means that it can travel easily on rough village roads, muddy rural areas, mountainous terrain, and construction zones. Many pastors in Ghana travel to villages for evangelism and church planting. Sometimes the roads are not smooth. This is where the Omama becomes extremely useful. The interior is also very comfortable. It features ergonomic leather seats, 8-direction adjustable driver seats, 9-inch LED display screen, Bluetooth and navigation system. Safety and control are also enhanced with electronic stability program, emergency brake assist, traction control system, hill start assist. The Omama pickup can also help pastors transport church instruments, evangelism equipment, sound systems, building materials for church projects. This makes it both a ministry vehicle and a mission support vehicle. Next, let's look at another strong and intelligent vehicle, the Kantanka Obrempong. The word Obrempong means powerful leader or a great king. This pickup truck is designed for power and durability. It is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged diesel engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle delivers about 380 Newton meters of torque, making it strong enough for heavy-duty work. It also includes multiple driving modes: Eco, Sport, Normal, and Snow. One of the most impressive features is the Level 2 driving assistance system. This includes technologies such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and an active cruise control. The Obrempong also includes a 10-inch Android infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay, making communication and navigation easier. For pastors who manage large ministries, this vehicle can help with logistics and operations. It can carry church equipment, media production gear, evangelism materials, community relief supplies, and many more. The Kantanka Obrempong therefore becomes a leadership and logistics vehicle for church missions. Now let's talk about something very special: the Kantanka Agricultural Utility Vehicle. This vehicle is designed specifically for farming and industrial work. It is powered by a 350cc water-cooled engine and has a 4-wheel drive system, making it extremely effective on farms and rough terrain. One of its most impressive features is its load capacity of up to 1,500 kilograms, which is also 1.5 tons. It also includes a hydraulic dumping cargo system, which allows users to easily unload farm produce or materials. Now you may ask, how does this help pastors? Many churches today are involved in community development. Some churches even run farms, community agricultural projects, youth employment programs, skills training programs. Pastors can invest in vehicles like the Boafo to support their members who are farmers. For example, a church can purchase a Boafo and allow farmers in the church community to use it for transporting maize, cassava, vegetables, fertilizer, farm tools, and so on. It can also help with transporting construction materials for community projects. This means the Boafo can help pastors support economic empowerment within their church communities. Instead of only preaching prosperity, churches can create practical opportunities for members to work and grow economically. The Boafo is therefore a ministry development tool. Finally, let's look at the Kantanka K71 Pro Sport Utility Vehicle. This vehicle is a stylish and modern compact sport utility vehicle designed for both comfort and efficiency. It is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with CVT transmission, providing smooth and efficient performance. The K71 Pro includes modern technology such as a reverse camera, cruise control, multiple driving modes, electronic stability program, tire pressure monitoring system. Inside the vehicle, you will find leather seats, multifunction steering wheel, electric air conditioning, 18-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle is perfect for pastors who want a comfortable everyday SUV for church activities, family transportation, city travel, and also ministry visits. Kantanka vehicles represent Ghanaian innovation, African creativity, and local industrial excellence. From the luxury Onantefo to the powerful Omama to the heavy-duty Obrempong and the community-supporting Boafo, each vehicle serves a unique purpose. For pastors, these vehicles are not just cars. These are tools that can support ministry, leadership, and community transformation. And when churches support locally manufactured products like Kantanka vehicles, they are also supporting Ghanaian industry and job creation. That is why today we proudly showcase these vehicles, because truly, Kantanka is not just any car, it's our car. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload. Once again, my name is Kwadwo Safo. Thank you very much for watching.